Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. The government is in the hot seat following 3 international reports which signal that the country's rank in doing business has declined. TVJ News acquired documents of correspondence between Chairman of the Jamaica Promotions Corporation, JAMPRO, Senator Don Webby, and the Prime Minister Andrew Holness, highlighting the urgency of the matter. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
We must become efficient in how we give our approvals. It took us about 18 months to do this. I'm certain it could have been done much faster. We have to start to look at our own business processes and eliminate the things from it that are unnecessary.
Jamaica slipped 8 places in the latest Forbes 2019 Best Countries to Do Business report. Before that, the country fell 4 places in the most recent World Bank Doing Business report. Jamaica also lost its position as the highest-rated country in the Latin American and Caribbean region, slipping 10 places last year. A document from JAMPRO's chairman Don Webby to Prime Minister Andrew Holness seeking to explain the troubling trend highlighted that the island continues to experience declines in certain rankings due to the slow pace of reform, whereas other countries are moving faster. It's a frustration shared by the local business community. President of the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce, JCC Lloyd Distant, said that the legislative, regulatory, and business process constraints contribute to the tardy pace of Jamaica's economic growth and expansion. Mr. Distant emphasized that the JCC has been working overtime on the lobbying and advocacy requirements to ensure that laws, regulations, and business processes are updated. The document also revealed that JAMPRO is in discussion with the Ministry of Finance and the World Bank regarding funding to support key initiatives which will help to improve doing business. The agency has also indicated that it has engaged one of the World Bank's DBR team to dispute data presented in the 2019 report. A follow-up video conference with the World Bank is scheduled for this month. Meanwhile, opposition spokesperson for Finance and Planning Mark Golding is criticizing the government for what he says is its failure to deliver growth and prosperity. For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Laidley.
In currency trading, the US dollar is back above the $130 mark. The greenback ended the day trading at $130.64 after losing about 3% of its value between October and December. The Canadian dollar closed at $97.20. The pound is going for $164.54, while the euro is being sold for $151.17. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in February went up by 13 cents to settle at $52.30 a barrel. The JSE index is up 75 points and the junior market index gained 34. Among the winners today were Barita Investments, CAC 2000, Derrimon Trading, Elite Diagnostic, Fontana, General Accident Insurance, Indies Pharma, and Jamaica Broilers. Now on the losing side were Berger Paints, Carib Cement, Everything Fresh, Fosrich, Grace Kennedy, Honeybun, Jetcon Corporation, and KLE Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.